Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download TikTok videos from TikTok without watermark for free. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the TikTok app and let's find a video that we want to download. Let's say for example I want to download this video from Switzerland, right? How I'm going to go about it? Well, click on the arrow under the comment section. Then click over here where you see the copy link, okay? The blue icon, click on it. Now the video, we have copied the link from it on our clipboard. And now I want you to go on Google and I want you to look for this particular website. It's called snaptik.app. You want to click on it, come here on the website, paste the link from the video from our clipboard and click download. What I like about this website is that it really processes the video into a link very fast. As you can see, we have the download buttons over here. Quick note guys, make sure you click on the legitimate download button. Sometimes some of these websites have commercials, ads with fake download button. For more videos like this guys, like this video and subscribe.